the ESCG, once it's done correctly, it just sits like this, and it's not going to run unless you give it a push. Then the reactions take place. And we can simulate that with this. So we'll go ahead and just give it a little tap.
And you did it in the opposite direction, and it still went into the...
John said it pretty much. Well, you can flip it around and do the opposite. It's all relative.
No, I mean, you pushed it in this direction, but it went back in that direction, because that was the way...
It's designed to go in one direction.
Why counterclockwise?
I could maybe go the other way too. It's just the design to trigger and rotate.
Let's do this before I can test it. That's what I wanted.
Is that I was able to impress magnetic waveforms, just like the man said, even though I never heard about it. There's no books on it or anything. It was just trial and error. When I first started noticing something, it was very small variations, and I didn't know if it was real or accidental. But after a while, you know, yeah, I could give it quite a waveform. So we know that that part of it exists, it's repeatable, we can demonstrate it. So you see a lot of these things coming together, working together, just like the man said.
Can you slow it down even more? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Amazing.
Oh, come on. Look at that. It's like a serpent's tail.
Yeah, that represents electromagnetic dynamics, which has you know, interactions.
I'll do this, and then can you hold this one up too? Okay, so we got that one. We got that one now. That is the weirdest thing. I'm gonna have to put an audio over if I ever upload this, because I'm freaking out here. Look at this. That was, come on. Oh my God. There it is right there.
Congratulations, you're the first one to capture that visual.
That's really...
It's like Northern Lights.
It's not extreme like the other one, but that's an actual impression with a few degrees of angle. You'll notice there's a little bit of a wave, and the compass are waving a little bit.
Oh, I do see that.
That's the effect.
I just do not understand how other people cannot see the significance in something like that. That is beyond me. That is so special.
Oh, that's right.
I thought it when I first arrived today.
So that is what you're capturing on the oscilloscope when you... So this is a Gauss meter.
Correct.
How does it measure through this stick? What is that?
That's a Gauss meter probe.
And how does it...
It measures the flux, puts the signal into the Gauss meter. The analog output goes into a digital scope. Now I gotta set up the scope to pick up the signal there. You'll see that there's a waveform. I guess it's just too sophisticated for something that's supposed to be simple, because it looks simple, but it's not. And all of the steps necessary to make it are extensive. It's not in the precision as high. It's like it's technology of the future. You know, it's a different way of doing things. And
I wonder how many alternate classes